I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on solving quadratic equations. We have discussed 4 different methods of solving quadratic equations. Here is one of them. We will estimate the solution from the graph. So the graph of a quadratic equation, which is y equals to 4x squared plus 3x minus 4, is drawn. So that's the graph, a parabola opening upwards. Draw a suitable line to solve the following. So when you want to find a solution, you normally draw a horizontal line. Wherever the horizontal line intersects the graph, that gives you the solution. So the question is, draw a suitable line to solve the following. If you look into these three, these are related equations. The only difference is the constant term. Correct? Now let's look into the original equation, which is 4x squared plus 3x minus 4, and equation in question number 1. So let's compare these two equations, right, to begin with, and understand what is given to us and how do we find the solution. So let me rearrange the given equation, which is 4x squared plus 3x equals to 4, right? So I could always write this equation as 4x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. So it is exactly same as for which we are given the graph. Now if the equation and the graph matches, then what is the line which you should be drawing? Definitely the x-axis, since x-intercepts are the solutions. So in this case, the line will be y equals to 0, which represents x-axis. Is that clear to you, right? And these are the two solutions. You can always read their value from the graph. It is going to be an approximate value, and therefore we say estimate. Perfect. So I hope the concept is clear. Now, difficult part here is to answer the related question. The equations are not the same. If you compare, we have 4x squared plus 3x equals to 2, and in the original equation for which the graph is given to us, we have equals to 4. So how do we make them same? Only then we can use the given graph. So the way is by adding 2, right? So if I add 2 to both the sides, we'll get equivalent equation from which we can get the graph, and therefore the horizontal line should be at y equals to 2. Get the idea? So this line which I am now drawing at y equals to 2 provides as the solution for this second question. Correct? So I hope with this concept you can now apply the same to get the horizontal line equation, which will provide solution to 4x squared plus 3x equals to 5. Well, in case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Most of my students are doing extremely well. They're right there on top of the class. Master the concepts and apply them effectively. Now let's look into the solution of the third question. Here, if you compare with the original, what do you notice? See, the concept is simple. We have 5 here, and in the original, we have 4. To make 5 as 4, I have to take away 1. Is that clear to you, right? So we have to take away 1, and taking away 1 means the equation should be y equals to minus 1. And therefore, I'm going to draw a horizontal line at y equals to minus 1. Make sense? So those are the solutions which I am now marking. Perfect. So I hope with this you understand how we can effectively use a horizontal line to find solutions for different related transformed equations. All these equations are having the same shape, but they are transformed, translated vertically up or down. And therefore, the horizontal line which we are drawing also gets translated up and down. So I think you can correlate and understand the concept. In case there are any questions, feel free to contact us on the email address or on our website, Global Math Institute. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.